Remove acrylic blocks. Loosen and remove the acrylic block baffles fixed on the aluminum profile. Y-stepper assembly. Use M330 socket head cap bolt and round spacers to fix the Y-stepper on the Y-axis base. Pay attention to the direction of Y-stepper wiring port. Tighten the set screw on the coupling to lock the shaft of the Y-stepper. Gantry assembly. Use the spacer template tool to adjust the spacing of the nuts on both sides of the Y-axis aluminum profile. Use spacer template tool to adjust the gantry position, then use M514 socket head, cap bolt and washers to fix gantry on the nuts on both sides of the Y-axis base. Z-axis assembly. Use M514 socket head screw and washer to fix the Z-axis on the gantry. Align the upper row of nuts, tighten the screws not completely, and lower the Z-axis assembly. Align the lower row of nuts, tighten the M514 socket head cap bolts and washer. Tighten the upper bolts. Trim router holder assembly. Fix two M520 to socket head cap bolts, M5 washers and M5 nuts to the opening of the trimmer holder. Then use four M618 hex head bolts and M6 washers to fix the trimmer holder to the Z-axis slider. Trim router assembly. Insert the trimmer router from top to bottom into the spindle holder, then tighten the two M520 to socket head cap bolts. Control board assembly. Tear off the protective film on the acrylic surface. Tighten the M5T nuts and M56 socket head cap bolts to the back of the controller box respectively, not need to tighten completely. Rotate all four nuts to a horizontal position and install them on the T-slots on the back of the gantry. E-stop assembly. Loosen the nut of the E-stop, then pass through the side aluminum plate and then tighten the nut again. Remove the acrylic cover and connect the wire to the stop socket on the control board. Limit switch wiring. Wiring limit switch, X-axis connected to black, Y-axis connected to green, Z-axis connected to red. The same axis is not divided into positive and negative, and can be plugged into the upper or lower row of sockets at will. Stepper motor wiring. X-axis connected to black, Y-axis connected to green, Z-axis connected to red. Trim router cable. Loosen the terminal screws, connect the lower two terminals to the power input of the cable long, and the upper two terminals to the output of the cable short. Cable management. Antenna assembly.